Hey everybody, I'm Chris at Wolf Ridge Manufacturing, and I've had enough. I'm stepping down. I can't take it anymore. I'm putting this guy in charge. Everybody, this is Ben. Ben has been here for about 6 years now, and he doesn't know this yet, but in his time here, he was a welder, and he doesn't know this, but I just actually looked at the computer program we used to track who did what and what's all done and where it all went. And Ben here has built 1,118 wood splitters. So he's just getting this info now, but you know, as a thank you,
My back hurts.
and his back hurts, his shoulders hurt from carrying us along here all this time. But as a thank you and wanting to keep him healthy and as part of our team here, and we actually moved him into sales, and he's going to be taking over some of these phone calls. I'm not actually leaving or retiring or stepping down. I am stepping down from the sales calls.
I'm just going to ease the pressure off.
Yeah. So, but making steps towards, you know, a possibility of maybe having a vacation day every once in a while. So, that being said, this year we're working on the serial numbers. This one's 1999. So, see how far we're coming along. We got some dealer orders that are lagging a little bit behind a little bit, but we're trying to keep all the lead times spaced out about the same. So everybody's waiting about the same, whether they're going through the dealer or ordering from us direct here. And if you have any questions about our wood splitters, you definitely check out our website. We have all the prices, lead times, and everything online. And then of course Ben here can help answer any questions you might have. And here's moving forward to the next generation of wood splitters and growth here. So,
Thanks for the opportunity.
it's cold out.
It is. I've been shaking the whole time.
So thanks so much for watching, guys. Again, check out our website, wolfridgemfg.com, for all pricing, lead times, videos, hula hoop girls, all that kind of stuff. All right, thanks.